Seems like the camera is quite a popular little topic at the moment. I have a dual cam system on this. It's the Innovv system. I believe it's the version 1, but it does have the GPS tracking on it, which means you can do a nice little planning of your route on Google Maps or something similar with the correct software. It's powered by the fuse box, which I have another little video on, and the GPS I've wired, you can probably just see it under there, just under the plate. It's a nice clean place for it to be. When the top box is on, you can't see it at all. Gets a good signal. The rear camera mount is a nice simple one again. It's just under the top box rack, points straight back out, and the way into that is really simple. And that's where the front is mounted. Just under the peak. Gets a good view of the road in front. It's angled so you don't see the peak above it, and you see a little bit of the mud guard when the brakes are applied, and there's a bit of compression on the forks, but it gets a nice clear view of the road ahead. And you'll probably be able to see the black wire from the camera. That's that orange wire there, goes behind the fairing along to the seat. Under there, comes out there, and plugs in the box. So that's it, my Innovv dual camera system on my bike. It runs off a small micro SD card. You can set it to stop when it's full or just keep recording, overwriting everything. I have a 32GB card in there, I think it is, and it just lasts for ages. That's it. Right, well, thanks for watching. Give me the thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe please for the next video, and I'll see you soon. Safe biking.